Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Vidyarangam Academics. And today, by the way, welcome to fourth grade. I'm starting fourth class syllabus. Okay. So this is the first lesson I'm starting. I'm not announcing the topic now. First, see what I'm showing you. What is this? Yes. ఈసారి ఈ క్లాస్ నుంచి నేను కొంచెం మీకు తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడతాను పిల్లలు. అప్పుడు మీకు ఇంకా బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో నేను రెండు మాట్లాడతాను. ఇంగ్లీష్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ టాక్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ లిటిల్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్ ఐ విల్ టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ఓకే. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చూపిస్తున్నాను చూడండి. రైస్, ఇదేమో పెసరపప్పు. ఓకే, అంటే గ్రీన్ పెసరపప్పు అనమాట. ఓకేనా. ఇదేమో ఏంటి మీకే తెలుసు, పల్లీలు. ఇదేమో బొబ్బర్లు. ఇదేమో మామూలు ఎల్లో పెసరపప్పు. ఇదేంటిది చెప్పండి. ఎస్, రెడ్ రవ్వ. ఉప్మా చేస్తుంది కదా మమ్మీ, అంటే గోధుమ రవ్వ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇవేంటిది, చాలామంది పిల్లలు ఇష్టపడరు కానీ కొంతమంది తింటారు, కొంతమంది తాగుతారు. ఓకే, మిల్క్ అనమాట, పాలు. ఇవి గుడ్లు. ఇవేంటిది, ఎస్, మ్యాంగోస్. మనకి ఇష్టం కదా, కింగ్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ సమ్మర్ కదా. ఇవి ఫ్రూట్స్. ఇదేంటిది, వాటర్మెలాన్. అందరం ఇష్టంగా తింటాం కదా. ఓకే, ఇంకా కొన్ని చూద్దామా. కమాన్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్, దిస్ ఈస్ మై ఫ్రిడ్జ్. ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ ఆల్ ద వెజిటబుల్స్ ఇన్ దట్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? బాటిల్ గార్డ్, then beans, then chilies, then beans, and all vegetables I am showing you, children. See this, this is one type of one more beans, and green leafy vegetables, then mangoes, kacha mangoes. Okay, and these are bananas, and brinjal, next tomatoes, and carrots. Okay, and some more vegetables. Okay, done. So now you came to my point. Okay, what is this, children? This is what? Coriander. Yes, this is green leafy vegetable. Okay, in this you will get so much of iron in that. So my topic for today is, yes, you are correct, food. Yes, children. So see, this is food. What is food now? Tell me. Food gives you energy. Correct, no? So if food is giving you energy, that is the reason only you are eating it every day. Suppose if you don't eat food, what will happen? You can't do your work, you can't play, you can't be active, you can't do anything. Food is the beginning for everything. In the morning when you wake up only you drink milk, correct? And then after that you have your tiffin. Mom will give you in the afternoon lunch, then the dinner. Correct, children? So now food contains nutrients, children. So that nutrients helps you to grow, and they help you to fight the diseases and stay healthy. Understood? That's why, see, some children will eat only some types of food, some children will eat only some type of food. It's not good. You should eat all in one. You should become all in one. You should eat everything. So in that only you contain different types of nutrients. Each food contains each type of nutrient. Okay, now we will discuss that. That means if you eat food only, you will grow. You will grow a nice height, and also you will become weight. Your weight will grow and your height will grow. Because you want to become 6 feet and very healthy and energetic, no, you should not become sick. If you don't eat food, you will become sick. So that helps you to grow these nutrients. Then they help you to fight the diseases and stay healthy. Now, what are the different types of nutrients? Okay, what are they? See, look here. I know that you are a little awareness in the third class, but then to now we will learn clearly. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the 5 types of nutrients present in our food. Now, what food is coming in what categories, we'll see. Now, food also contains roughage and water. This roughage and water is also important for us, children. That is there in our food, roughage and water. I'll tell you the importance now. Okay, moving on to the next segment. Yes, now we are talking about the 5 types of nutrients now. First nutrient, what is it? Carbohydrates. So in the carbohydrates, what is there, I'm going to tell you. Listen carefully, children. We get quick energy from carbohydrates, and they are called energy giving nutrients. They are best energy giving nutrients. Ready made energy we get from that. Examples are sugar and starch. Okay, now in this cereals, rice, wheat and maize, we get a lots of carbohydrates. Okay, those where we can see that in the bread, noodles, chapati and dosa. What is the different types of food we can see is this: bread, noodles, chapati and dosa. Just have a look, children, the pictures which are given in the textbook. See this. అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న, మనం తినే బ్రెడ్, నూడిల్స్, చపాతీ, దోశ, వీటిలన్నిట్లో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడు, ఫుడ్ రిచ్ ఇన్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ అని ఇచ్చాడు. అంటే పొటాటోస్, రైస్లో, మళ్ళీ బ్రెడ్, బనానాస్, నూడిల్స్, వీటన్నిటిలో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి నేను మధ్య మధ్యలో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇలా మీకు చెప్తాను, అప్పుడు బాగా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకే, మూవింగ్ ఆన్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ న్యూట్రియంట్, ప్రోటీన్స్. See children, this is the second type of nutrient, that is proteins. Okay, now these proteins help to grow, that is they help us to grow, that is they help you to grow. Okay, you will grow if you eat lot of proteins. You will grow in height also, in the weight also. Okay, properly, nicely, healthily. Now it repairs damaged body of parts of the body. That means it repairs the damaged parts of our body. That means suppose you fall down, you get hurt, you get an leg sprain, hand sprain or somewhere else, these proteins when you take more, only nicely that part will be repaired and it will come to the normal condition. Now these proteins are also called as body building nutrients. Okay, now examples are milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat, pulses. See, pulses is nothing but dal. Mummy will cook dal every day. You eat now. Different types of dals are there, children. You all are aware of that. అంటే నాన్న చూడండి, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్లో మీకు పాలు, చీజ్, గుడ్లు, చేపలు, మీట్ అంటే మాంసం, డిఫరెంట్. మళ్ళీ మమ్మీ కుక్ చేసే ఫుడ్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో హెల్దీ ఫుడ్, దానిలో పప్పుల్లో అంటే పెసరపప్పుతో, కందిపప్పుతో, ఎర్రపప్పుతో డిఫరెంట్గా మమ్మీ వండుతుంది కదా. సో వాటిని పల్సెస్ అంటారు. దానిలో మొత్తం ప్రోటీన్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్, ఐఎమ్ షోయింగ్ యూ ద పిక్చర్. ఓకే, నౌ we will move on to the next segment, third nutrient. What is it? This third type of nutrient is fats, children. They are especially called energy. They give us energy and warmth and energy giving nutrients. These fats are energy giving nutrients. And suppose when your body does not get enough food, it uses the stored fat to get energy. Okay, so when you are eating the fats, what will happen? They will be stored at one place, in different places of our body. And when you are not taking food, suppose sometimes it happens now when you eat late, or sometimes when you go out you may get a food late, or sometimes when you are not feeling well also you won't eat food. So in that type of conditions, what is happening is, when your body does not get the enough food, it uses the stored fat to get energy. That fat is combusted, where it is stored in the different parts of our body is combusted, and we get energy from that. Okay, now examples are oil, butter, cheese, nuts. Okay, అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్? ఆయిల్, బటర్, చీజ్, నట్స్, ఇవన్నీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అనమాట ఫ్యాట్స్కి. సో ఇవి మనం తినాలి, మీరు తినాలి. బాగా తింటే ఏంటంటే ఎనర్జీగా మంచి గట్టిగా అవుతారు. ఎప్పుడైతే తినరో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఏదైతే మన బాడీలో స్టోర్ అయి ఉంటాయో ఫ్యాట్స్, మన బాడీ వాటిని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటుంది. అంత మంచి మెటబాలిజం పెట్టాడనమాట భగవంతుడు మనకి. ఓకే, నౌ ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు పిక్చర్ చూపిస్తున్నా, జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్. వాట్ ఆర్ నట్స్? యు ఆర్ ఆల్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ దట్. వాట్ ఆర్ నట్స్? ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. ఆర్ ద ఆల్మండ్స్, లైక్ cashews. Okay, you know that, no, raisins, and also different types of dry fruits they are all called nuts. Okay, see this, see the picture. You get the fats from all this type of food, paneer, cheese, and also see this oil. Okay, moving on to the next segment. Fourth nutrient is vitamins. Now we spoke about the third nutrient. Just now I asked you the question also. Third nutrient is, remember it, fats. Now the 4 and 5, why I wrote 4 and 5? This is the fourth and fifth nutrient. Fourth is the vitamins and the fifth one is the minerals. Okay, so these vitamins and minerals help us as protective foods. That means they are called as protective foods, and they protect us from different diseases, and they guard us from the germs. That is, guard means not guard, guarding. That means taking care of our body from the germs, and they fight against the diseases. Next, what are the examples of these fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, milk, eggs and bread? In all these foods, we get this vitamins and minerals. So you should eat it. Keep it in mind, children. Okay, next, we are talking about the calcium. Calcium is a mineral, children. Calcium comes under a mineral, and if you eat these calcium rich foods only, they help us to especially to the children, to you, they help us in building the healthy bones and teeth. Now this calcium is present in milk and green leafy vegetables. Okay, now iron also, children. See, this iron is seen in the beans, meat and green leafy vegetables. They are all rich in iron. Now just have a look at this picture given in the textbook. Yes. Now next we are talking about all the 5 types of nutrients. I have finished now. Now remember it. Now 5 types of nutrients are over. Now we are talking about next important topic segment is roughage and water, which is present in our food. Yes, children, now we are talking about the roughage and water. Okay, so what is roughage? Roughage is the indigested substances form roughage in our body. Okay, so this helps you to send out the waste. This roughage helps you to send out the waste from our body. So roughage is also very important for us. Okay, next we are talking about the water. Now water means, you know, every minute we should drink in summer. If we drink more water only, we will be healthy. Why? Because the water helps to digest the food and absorb the nutrients from our food, from our body properly. Whatever food we are eating, no, from that the nutrients will be there. No, we should drink more water only, the nutrients are absorbed properly. Now 2/3 of our body weight is water only, children. Every day we should drink 3 liters of minimum 3 liters of water, so that we should be healthy. If you want to be healthy, you should drink 3 liters of water. And about 1 liter, it comes from the things you drink and food you eat. Okay, so food we eat and drinks we drink. Now from that we get 1 liter, and except that after 3 minus 1 it is 2. No, so the 2 liters we should drink 8 glasses of water every day to get that 2 liters. Okay, next we are going to talk about balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A diet that gives you nutrients in the right quantities is called a balanced diet. Okay, we should get all that properly, the nutrients, everything, whatever we want from that food we eat. That type of food is called a balanced diet. Now look here. Okay, it is given in the textbook. No food contains all the nutrients, children, so we should have all types of now we discussed it, no, different types of food, then only we will get the balanced diet. Now see here, there are 4 types of foods, protein, that is the groups, different groups which we have to eat. What are they? First is the protein group. See here, protein group, then it is the milk group, then it is the vegetable and fruit group, then it is the cereal group. So these all groups you should eat properly every day, then only we'll get a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Just now I told you, the food that you eat every day is called a diet, children. And what is balanced diet? That gives you nutrients in the right quantities, whatever which is needed for our body, it is called as balanced diet. We should eat everything. Okay, done. Now see here, protein group. What are protein group? In the protein group, you are getting meat, egg, fish, beans, nuts, peas and so on. And now milk group, you are getting what from the milk group? You are getting milk, cheese, curd, ice cream and so on, butter also. Now in the vegetable groups, all the fresh vegetables and fruits. Now in the cereal group, you get rice, bread, chapatis, noodles and so on. So look at this picture. I want to show you one more picture. So this is the balanced diet chart. See here, this is all the vitamins, and then vitamin A, B, C, D are given here. A, C, D, E, B. Then proteins, fats, carbohydrates, calcium, phosphorus, iron. See this. Okay. Now these all are fruits, and these all are the vegetables. Yes, now we will talk about cooking food, children. How we should cook food, we will see. See, just listen to me properly. Food should not be overcooked, children. This destroys the nutrients. And the vegetables and fruits should be washed before they are cut, because now this is a corona time. We are washing it with special things, no, like neem wash, all these things. That is good only. Over washing is not needed, but we should wash compulsorily with water also, with those also nicely. The like neem wash example I am telling you, so many types of things are coming which are helping us for washing purpose. The fruits and vegetables we should wash, we should mix them in water, and then only we should use the fruits and vegetables. Then and food should be cooked in just enough water only, children. And cooking food in too much water and then throwing away the water takes away the nutrients with the water. That's why you also can suggest your mother, no problem, she knows it, but then too you also tell her that teacher told me you should only use only minimum water for cooking. Now moving on to the next segment is preserving food. Okay, children, preserving food, we have 4 types of preserving food. How, in which way we are preserving? Different types we are preserving, no? That is, the first one is the refrigeration, then using preservatives, canning and drying. Now children, last segment of this lesson is preserving food. Mummy is preserving the food in different ways, that is 4 types. What are they? First is refrigeration. In the beginning only of the video I showed you all the vegetables, fruits we keep in refrigerator, no? That is eggs also, milk also, curd. So all this, that means we are refrigerating our food. That is called refrigeration. Then preservative. Pickling, children. See, now all the mango pickles mummy will make in this summer, no? Those all she is storing it, correct? So that is called preservative, using the preservatives. See, in the shop wallahs, what they will do, like Priya pickles, they will mix the preservatives and they will store it, and from the shop we get it, correct? So that is called using preservatives. Examples are pickling. Okay, so like the sugar, salt or oil, and that means mummy is putting so much oil in the pickle and full of salt and mirchi powder, correct, no? And she is making a mango pickle, so that means she is preserving it, correct? So that is pickling. Example for this preservatives is pickling. Now the next, you can see this picture also. See this here, children. Yes, like this, so many types of pickles they will make. So many, you also know this tamarind pickle, and then ginger pickle. Okay, so different types of gingers, all these things they are added and pickling is made. So pickling is a very big industry. We buy it also in the house, mother also will make, so or your mom also will make. That is the second type of preserving food. It is using preservatives. Okay, now the next one is, third one is canning. How the canning is made? See, canning is, in the canning, not scanning, children, it is canning, canning. The canning, the germs are first killed and the food is then sealed in cans. Example is what you can say, correct. See, all these thumbs up bottles we get now, all these things, drinks, everything, those are canning only, Sprite. That is called canning. And one more, milk also we get in the cans, correct? Yes. Next, last one is drying. The water is removed from the food items and to stop the germs from growing. So that is called drying. Okay, this is the last type of preserving the food. Okay children, now you understood, no? మీకు ఇది అర్థమైంది కదా నేను చెప్పింది, ఎలా ప్రిజర్వ్ చేసుకుంటామో ఫుడ్. మీకు కనుక ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్ అండ్ ఫాలో మీ ఫర్ ద లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ దిస్ వీడియో, ఫుల్ వీడియో ప్రాపర్లీ. అప్పుడు మీకు ఫుడ్ గురించి నీట్గా అర్థమవుతుంది నాన్న. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్ అండ్ హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.